Hello, and welcome to Mindset Hub. Today, we're diving into the power of daily affirmations and how they can be a game changer in your journey toward a more positive, fulfilled life. If you've ever doubted the impact of words on your mindset and life, this video is here to shift your perspective. The power of affirmations. Affirmations are simple, positive statements that you repeat to yourself to influence your thoughts, emotions, and actions. They work by rewiring your brain, helping you break negative thought patterns and reinforcing a more positive outlook. Why are affirmations so powerful? Because your thoughts create your reality. What you think, you become. Affirmations help you consciously choose thoughts that support your goals, dreams, and overall well-being. They are a daily reminder of your potential, your worth, and your power to create the life you desire. How affirmations can change your life. Boost confidence and self-esteem. When you consistently repeat affirmations like "I am confident" or "I believe in myself," you start to internalize these beliefs. Over time, this boosts your self-esteem and helps you face challenges with greater confidence. Reduce stress and anxiety. Affirmations can also calm your mind. By focusing on positive statements, you can shift your attention away from stress and anxiety, creating a more peaceful mental space. Enhance focus and productivity. Positive affirmations can also improve your focus. By reminding yourself of your goals and abilities, you stay motivated and productive throughout the day. Promote a growth mindset. Affirmations like "I am constantly growing" or "I learn from every experience" encourage a growth mindset. This helps you embrace challenges, learn from failures, and continue evolving. Incorporating affirmations into your daily routine. Now, how do you make affirmations a part of your daily life? Start your day with affirmations. Begin each morning by repeating a few powerful affirmations. This sets a positive tone for the day and helps you approach it with optimism. Use visual reminders. Write your affirmations on sticky notes and place them where you'll see them frequently, on your mirror, your desk, or your refrigerator. Practice about being mindful will. You repeat your affirmations. Picture yourself living out those truths. This deepens their impact and makes them even more powerful. Personal success. Story. Let me share a personal story with you. There was a time when I struggled with self-doubt and insecurity. I didn't believe in my ability to achieve my goals, and this mindset held me back in many areas of my life. That's when I discovered the power of daily affirmations. I started repeating positive statements like "I am capable," "I deserve success," and "I am enough." At first it felt awkward, but I persisted. Over time, I noticed a shift. My confidence grew, my self-doubt faded, and I started taking bold steps toward my goals. The impact was profound. Affirmations became a daily practice, and they've played a significant role in my personal growth and success. Daily affirmations are a simple yet powerful tool for transforming your mindset and your life. By making them a part of your routine, you can create lasting positive changes in how you think, feel, and act. Thank you for being part of the Mindset Hub community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that empowers you to live your best life. Together, let's continue to grow, evolve, and achieve greatness. See you in the next video.